Since the dawn of time, people of all walks of life have spoken of one of nature's greatest mysteries, fall foliage.
While taking in the beautiful fall foliage, you may want to invest.
Due to the rarity of its occurrence, few have been able to directly observe this phenomenon until now. We consulted with the world's leading expert, Dr. Albert Aluminium, who has been studying in the field of metallurgical botany for the past few days. When questioned about fall foliage, he had this to say. The metallic maple tree is the key. It's exactly like a regular maple, except for, well, it blooms only during autumn, with help from a Chinese bee, the Mavic Mini. The Minius will not fly if it sees a fence, so some trees simply will not bloom. With an advertiser less than of about 30 minutes, the Minius has plenty of time to perform its magic. The Minius fertilizes the tree through inverse-reverse pollination. This process is time-intensive. While visiting the tip of every branch, it keeps watch for the large predators which live nearby. The Minius has finished its task and tries to return to its nest in the bushes. Unfortunately, it took too long, and the Minius died. This seems like a good time to mention the full version of this documentary is only available on Discovery++, because we all needed a new service that's just a little more plus. The sun sets. Our team stayed up all night hoping to see the foliage, making several trips to Starbucks. Behold, fall foliage. In its only known footage, it glistens in the morning light. Excellent, absolutely excellent, beautiful. To see more fall foliage, subscribe to Discovery++. To see fall foliage, just go outside.